I revoke my troth! Let it be no more! Let it be no more!
You stole what was left of my heart, and now I've lost you forever. I swear, no harm will come to you, as long as I live, and not a day shall pass that I don't miss your smile. Hello, Godmother. Don't be sad.